Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In this video session, we are going to discuss about the topic of audience profiling and segmentation. Friends, audience profiling and segmentation, these both the terms seems different from each other, but these both are interconnected with each other. We can say that these both terms are the opposite sides of same coin. Here in audience profiling, businesses or marketers understand and try to know more about their customers, whereas in segmentation they segment means bifurcate that customers into different types having similar characteristics. In this video session, we are going to learn this concept of audience profiling in detail. So let's start. Audience profiling is the activity in which the marketer or the businessman knows the customers better and describe their persona. This persona is the characteristic or the nature of customers. Audience profiling is carried out whenever a businessman wants to introduce any new product or service or implement some new marketing strategies in the market. Audience profiling plays very important role from the perspective of businesses, because it seems that if the businesses is making wrong audience profiling or avoiding to make audience profiling, then it may lose its time as well as efforts. Let's understand it with the help of one example. If the company is marketing his woolen products in desert area, then it will be of no use, because we all know that the people from the desert area will never buy woolen goods. So, audience profiling is very important in order to save time and target potential customers. This audience profiling is undertaken in two different segments. Like, first, company try to identify the social characteristics of customer, and then it try to identify the economic characteristics of customer. Under social characteristics, gender, age, religion, family background, then hobbies, etc. are identified. Whereas under economic characteristics, marketer or businessman try to understand and identify the disposable income, annual income, then the ownership of various expensive goods, then it's his work experience, etc. Let's understand this with this figure. This figure completely explains the perfect audience profile of particular customer. She is the customer who is female, 24-year-old. Then her qualification is ME. Then religious wise she is Parsi. Then she likes singing and traveling. Then talking about her health conditions, then she is suffering from anemia. Then if we consider the buying pattern of her, then she uses branded items. So these are the different social characteristics. If we talk about economic characteristics, then her disposable income is 2 lakh, annual income is 10 lakh, work experience is 2 years, she has no car, no home. So on the basis of this audience profiling, the company owner or the marketer target the customer. Here he identifies that whether she is good or whether she can be treated as a potential customers for his product or services or not. There are main two importance of audience profiling. The first one is it helps in determining goals of product. Before launching any product or service in the market, The very first step performed by the businessman or marketer is to identify the trend in the market, the needs and wants of customers, and the future expectations of customers. On the basis of that, he designs the product or structure the service which he is going to be avail to the customers. So, audience profiling plays very important role in determining goals of product. Then the second importance is it helps in determining effective marketing strategy. As here marketer and businessman is knowing the needs and wants of customer and knowing all about customers like gender, age, qualification, buying pattern. So by using this all information, he can effectively modify or design a marketing strategy. And as he is already knowing that particular person can be his potential customer, so he can make personal relationship and provide more effective marketing plan. So it helps in determining effective marketing strategy. So this is all about this concept of audience profiling. I hope you understand this. In the next video session, we will see the concept of audience segmentation. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.